Lion hunting is a common phenomenon among wild animals, as lions are predatory animals and wild pepper is one of their food sources. Lions are skilled hunters and use a variety of tactics to catch their prey, including stalking, and ambushing. When hunting wildebeest, lions often try to isolate a single animal from the herd and attack from behind or from the side using their powerful jaws and claws to bring it down. Once the wildebeest is caught, the lion will use its teeth to suffocate the animal or inflict a fatal blow by biting its neck. Although lion hunting can be a brutal and violent process, it is a natural part of the ecosystem and helps balance the food chain. Lions are social animals and often hunt in groups, known as pride. Pride hunting is more effective than solitary hunting, as it allows lions to divide and conquer their prey, using their numbers and coordination to overwhelm the target. Lions are most active at dawn and dusk, when their prey is also most active. This is known as the crepuscular period. Wildebeest are not the only prey of lions. In addition to wildebeest, lions also prey on a wide variety of animals, including zebra, gazelle, antelope, and larger animals such as buffalo and giraffe. Lions have many physical adaptations that help them fulfill their role as predators. They have strong legs and jaws, sharp claws for catching prey, and strong muscles for running. They have keen senses with excellent vision and hearing, which allows them to detect and track their prey from a distance. While lion hunting can be a successful strategy for obtaining food, it also carries risks. Lions can be injured or killed during the hunt, and lions can starve if their prey manages to escape. Lions are considered apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain and have few natural predators of their own. However, they face competition for food and territory from other large predators such as hyenas and crocodiles. Lion hunting can be a risky behavior, as it exposes the lion to injury from its prey. For example, wildebeests are known to defend themselves when attacked, and may try to stab their attackers using their sharp horns. Lions can also be attacked by other predators when distracted by their prey. Lions are not the only animals that prey on wild deer. Other predators, such as cheetahs, leopards, and hyenas, also prey on wild deer and may compete with lions for food. In parts of Africa, lions are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. These factors can affect their ability to access prey and food and contribute to lion population declines. Despite the challenges it faces, lions are still an important and iconic species in many ecosystems. They play an important role in controlling the population of other animals, and their presence can help maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Wildebeest is a type of large deer found in parts of Africa. They are known for their distinctive appearance, with long heads, curved horns, and sloping backs. Wildebeest are migratory animals, and are known for their long-distance migrations between feeding and breeding grounds. These migrations can involve large numbers of wildlife and can be an impressive sight to behold. Wildebeest is an important prey species for many predators, including lions, cheetahs, leopards, and hyenas. They are a vital source of food and nutrients for these animals and help support their populations. Wildebeest are not the most agile or fast-moving animals, but they are able to defend themselves when attacked. They have sharp horns and are able to use them effectively to deter predators. Wildebeests are found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and woodlands. They are able to survive in areas with limited water and food and are able to adapt to different conditions. A natural part of the ecosystem and helps maintain balance in the food chain. Lions are social animals and often hunt in groups, known as pride. Pride hunting is more effective than solitary hunting, as it allows lions to divide and conquer their prey, using their numbers and coordination to overwhelm the target.